Welcome to the MealPro cooking channel. You know, if you want to just do a quick way of doing some of these smoked ribs and stuff, I'm going to show you that method, okay? So the first thing I'm going to start with is with my rub. Okay, so what kind of rub do you want? You could buy any kind that you want at the store. They have them available, but I like to put my own seasonings into it. So you want to try to maybe create your own seasonings, taste it a little bit on something that may be a fried chicken or a piece of grilled chicken or meat, brush it over the top before you sear it, and then taste it and see, oh, that's perfect. So I always measure out all my ingredients. So what I have in front of me here is a little bit of smoked paprika, and I'm just going to add that into my bowl. Okay, put this aside. And then I have some garlic powder, okay, and onion powder. I'm going to add that right in my bowl, okay. And then I have some cumin, okay, so I have some ground cumin. I'm going to add that ground cumin. That's going to give it some real good depth and more leaning toward the smokiness and more like Southwestern or Tex-Mex type blend. Okay, then I have a chili powder mix, right, with 3 or 4 different chilies inside of it. I'm going to dump that right in my mix. And then I also have a little bit of cayenne pepper, okay? And then I have also some smoked paprika. So that's what my Tex blend is, on my rub, okay? Yours could be whatever you want to choose to be. So I'm just going to mix that around, make sure that it's really blended in well. So you can just put it liberally all over your pork and just kind of press it down a little bit. Make sure you really put the seasoning on top of it, okay? And then you're also going to just flip it right over. Okay, you're going to put the same amount in the back of the rib here. Okay, so that's just all ready to go. It's that simple. See how simple that is? And these little particles that are left, you just want to pick them up and put them there. Okay, so this rib is going to go right onto my sheet tray here. Okay, so I'm just showing you right there that that's where it's going to go, right on the sheet tray. Now let's talk about the cooking temperature. For the ribs, you want to do about 350. With the pork, you just don't touch the bone. You get to the meat part of the rib, stick it in there. If it reaches 165, guess what? Your ribs are complete and done. And then we're just going to open up our oven. I'm going to put my ribs in there. So we're going to have ribs tonight. Well, welcome back. Guess what's ready? The ribs. Then I'm going to just take my ribs, okay, hold them up a bit, cut it through the bone there, tender, oh my gosh, just so tender, okay, here we go, cut it through, wow, it's so wonderful, enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click the like button on the video and to subscribe with us with MealPro. And don't forget, like I said, go to MealPro.net to get your food that you need to order for your diet. It's wonderful.